Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Do not miss out on a $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, everybody. We're going to be checking out this one. I want to bring some awareness to BallisticFreaks, okay? This is an NFT project very early on, so we're going to bring some awareness to this. Let's check this out. We got Quack, okay? An angsty, aggressive, and utterly brutal duckling confined in an urban dungeon that's home to the BallisticFreaks experimental weapons program. He's one of the first subjects the company had gotten their hands on, being subject to copious amounts of stimulants like cocaine, amphetamines, and other regular coffee. Quack had resulted in becoming an overly zealous and aggressive killing machine. With a penchant for violence and no feelings of regret or remorse, Quack is only interested in one thing: destroying everything and everyone that crosses his path. This is going to be a game, an NFT game. Remember, I said at the end of last year, I said we're going to see a lot of games and implementing different storylines with these games that we're going to be playing. And to be honest with you, this sounds pretty epic. I like the storyline. It sounds different, and I like what I'm hearing so far. And I like the concept, and the art is right on point, okay? And so far from what I'm seeing is the storyline goes with these, these ducklings so far, and this different type, not sure what kind of bird this one is, but for sure we know what Quack is, okay? Second, we got Psycho Pat, okay? Second off the BallisticFreaks experimental weapons program, Pat is a bit of an oddball. Seeing an advertisement to participate in a paid breakthrough science experiment, he signed up thinking it would alleviate his money troubles. But how wrong he was. Pat was subject to rigorous mental and physical torture, copious amounts of hallucinogens, and much, much more. His mind and soul were broken, left as husks of the former selves. Pat is now completely deranged and bereft of the feelings of pity, guilt, and remorse. So I like this. I like that they're keeping the same storyline along with, Quack, and that this is some kind of weapons program that's going to be going on. So think about the game capabilities that this really has and how fun it could be to kind of play something like this. To be honest with you guys, it has a lot of different avenues that we got right here. So let's check this out. We got Radioactive Rev. Another addition to the BallisticFreaks roster, Radioactive Rev, is a bit of an oddity. There was no torture, no substance involved. The way he ended up in the program is just by being what he is, fearless. Not in the sense of being brave or courageous, but in the sense that he literally has no fear response, no flight, only fight. He was taken by the organization due to this fact alone, and later on, he was put through rigorous weapons training courses, tactical assessments, and the like, slowly becoming a standout performer amongst his peers. It is yet to be seen if the fact that he isn't broken like the rest won't come back and haunt the organization later on. Okay, so basically saying that maybe this might bite them in the butt, basically, teaching them all this stuff. So I like that they're leaving some mystery to it. And right here we have a missing player. Not sure who this is, who it might be, but I'm definitely curious about what we got going on right here. The plan looks pretty cryptic, right? We're not sure what's going on, and I'm sure that has to do something with how this is a secret weapons plan, and that's probably why we don't see everything that's going on, and we got to kind of put it together, okay? Okay, so we got top secret video. The BallisticFreaks experimental weapons program and its creators are veiled in shadows and mystery. An organization with esoteric agenda made up of some of the world's most elite and wealthy individuals with no loyalties to anyone or anything. They are solely devoted to pushing the boundaries of ethics, morality, and psychology by putting their test subjects through heinous experiments that strain them mentally and physically, bringing them to a breaking point. All of that just to see what becomes of their subjects at the end. So this is pretty cool. And, we can think of a lot of movies and things that had something like this, right? We can see how that can be implemented into an NFT game with these types of experiments being done on, these different types of birds. We'll see who number 3 is going to be. So this is a quick video just to bring some awareness. We're barely, going into the first quarter. Map design is becoming soon. I'm reaching out to the team. I want to know more about this because I had some community members hit me up. And so just let it be known if you're part of the channel, if you're a subscriber or whatnot, and you reach out to me and you guys got a project you guys want me to see like this one, I liked a lot, and that's why this happened. Okay, so shout out to that subscriber. I appreciate you being subscribed, and I hope that you like this video about this project that you're invested in, you know, and I like what I see so far. So we're gonna keep a lot of more videos coming on this one, and as Ballistic Freaks, and if you guys can come back, continue to experience the abundance of money with me, that'd be greatly appreciated. So till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.